In this video, we'll explore the fascinating evidence for an eternal universe and try to answer these burning questions. We'll debunk the myth of the Big Bang and unravel the mysteries of our cosmic existence. You won't want to miss this. Join me on a journey through space and time as we uncover the secrets of the eternal universe. Are you ready? Let's go. Our universe is vast and mysterious. And while we've come a long way in understanding it, there's still so much that we don't know. And how could we ever hope to understand a universe that never ends? What if our universe isn't just a finite space with a beginning and an end, but infinite? What would that mean for the Big Bang Theory? Join me as we explore the evidence for an eternal universe and the fascinating implications for our understanding of the cosmos.